Brandy here. I'm a design team member with the Shotz team, an online scrapbooking store out of Calgary, Alberta. You can order online for shipping anywhere you want to ship, or you can do local pickup in Calgary, Alberta. And really happy this month again to be showing you what I get to play with this month. So for the May kit for Scrap Shotz this month, we are playing with Alta News, Live Your Dream. This is their chipboard stickers, alphas, buttons, embellishments, I'm not sure what you would call those, as well as the pattern paper. I have some things in my stash from Alta New that's like stamps. I actually didn't know that they were getting into paper and into the chipboard pieces, so I'm super excited to touch what feels like a pretty new product from a company that's really kind of reaching out. They've been hugely successful with their stamps, which I have many of, and they're fabulous. And so I'm really keen to play with their new product here. And really discover if that same quality with the stamps comes through into the paper and into the chipboard and into the alphas and their embellishment. So really excited. So again, this is the May kit with Scrap Shotz that I am playing with this product, and I'll just do a quick flip through for you. So as part of my kit, and we're just kind of splitting it amongst us, are these, and I'll just pull these out, are these sort of like wood button slash brad slash enamel dots that match the paper. So really excited. They've got some great dimension to them, so I think those will be really fun. There's also these chipboard stickers. There's two sides to the chipboard sticker, so great florals, good colors, some banners here, which is always helpful. I love when there's a mix of small and big when you're getting into chipboard, so you can kind of really work on that design triangle of, you know, some stuff that comes off the page, a bit of dimension. And here is the back side. So kind of the watercolor doodly like look to it, which I think is going to be really fun to play with and really complements bright papers. So that'll be great. And they're like a standard thickness and they feel really sticky, so those will be really fun. There's also puffy alpha stickers, and this is again the Live Your Dream from Alta New. I love this font. Like, this is just fabulous. I love that there's caps locks and small case, I guess, bigs and smalls. There's also some letters in here, and of course, you know, you can't go wrong with an ampersand. So really great. And these again have a bit of dimension to them, a bit of shine, but they're like that puffy kind of texture. So I think those will be really good. And they just look really classy and really quite feminine. So fun. For the papers, you get 16 unique designs in a 12 by 12 inch. So this is what the package looks like. And I pulled it out of the package so it wouldn't crinkle so much for us, and so there wouldn't be so much glare. I am filming this quite late at night with just my studio lights on, so hopefully the glare is not bad. So in the paper kit, no paper is the same. They're all different. The A and B sides are all different. So it's going to be quite interesting kind of mixing and matching. The color scheme is there for sure. But yeah, kind of neat. So I'm interested in the challenge here. So there's this kind of like brick geo pattern. And then here's this back side again, kind of circles within circles, if you will, with dots. A floral pattern. Very fun. And this guy, like, can I please get a dress in this pattern? And I would wear it in 1 second. I think that is just fabulous. Ooh, or a pair of like yoga tights. How fun would that be? So love this, love the pops of purple in there. I'm really excited to play with this. There's also this ombre, if that's the right way to say it. However you wanted to kind of cut this one. And then there's this kind of reminds me of like pom froms, this the cross stitch, no. Hashtag, I can't remember what this name is called, but when you do this with a paintbrush, crosshatch maybe, might be. Anyway, really fun. This kind of seems tropical to me. I see some, you know, recent Mexico trip pictures going on that one there. This one's great. They look like just little highlighter or paint marks here, which should be really quite fun. Again, it's got that navy, it's got the purple, it's got that bright pink. So the color scheme is all the same, but the patterns are really different. So it's going to be really fun to layer them together. And this is the kind of a botanical background. And there's some chipboard stickers that match these almost identically. So that'll be really nice to build off of, I think. So very fun. This one again is gorgeous. Hello, yoga tights. Maybe not with the white background for yoga tights, but you get what I'm saying. So love it. Got the peaches and the pinks in here. And again, that deep navy, which is just absolutely my favorite color ever. So very fun. And then side kind of, you know, packaging technique watercolor. So this is the very thing I try and create, which, well, they did a much better job than I do. So that's really fun. I'm excited about this one. Probably be the first paper I play with. A little less intimidating than some of these other ones. So here's the geometric pattern again. It's got those teals and the blues. And this side is a great stripe. So this is every color that comes in the kit in a stripe, which I think is just fabulous. This is going to be fun to play with. Yeah, really grounding. And then in here, this again is kind of a watercolor. I can see the kind of the technique of moving the water around on the paper, which is great. Every color in the kit is here, maybe except for that green, so that's really fun. And then this back side here, again, floral. Really great to kind of showcase a photo here and really draw the eye into the center. So I think that will be great. And again, that navy, hello. This is fun. So building out from the center, I love it. It's got that green in it with that navy, and I think it just really pops. These colors, like the purple, the navy, and that green, they just go so well together. So it's gonna be fun to play on that. And this side, hello fabulous, right? So a bit of a watercolor ombre color blocking mess, but I think in a beautiful way. I think it'll be fun to kind of play on this color blocking, so we'll see. So those are the papers. They are quite thick and have quite a shine to them, so it'll be interesting to see if I can actually bring in paints into this and watercolors or art crayons into this, considering the texture. I think if I'm going to, not that I need to add extra color, it's going to require gesso, so it'll be neat to see, and as well how well my different adhesives stick to it. So always interesting to play with new product, especially when they're coming out with a very kind of non-porous paper, which is going to be great, and that's how you get that beautiful shine. So this is me. I am off to start playing. This is the May kit with Scrap Shotz. I will include links below to where you can find this on the Scrap Shotz website, as well as to the blog where each of the designers, we sometimes play with the kit, we sometimes all play with different products, so we kind of really spread that inspiration around depending on what kind of scrapbooker you are and what kind of product you're attracted to. So thank you so much, and hope you enjoy your May.